Hi everyone, Leanne Pilkington here with the real estate wrap for Monday the 6th of May, so week commencing May 6th. We had 535 properties go to auction on Saturday with a 66.6% prelim clearance rate, which is actually a lot higher than what we've been seeing in previous weeks and even months. So that's really an interesting reflection on where the market's at right now. But the most important thing we need to be thinking about right now is we are less than 2 weeks away from the election on May 18. And we need to be very, very clear the impact that some of these policies that the opposition are talking about are going to have on real estate. We're being told that property investors are very wealthy people. The reality of the situation is that 80%, and this is data from the ATO, 80% of investors actually earn less than $80,000 a year. So certainly not wealthy people. The other interesting thing is only 4% of property investors around the country actually own more than 3 rental properties. So it's a very different picture than the one that we're being told. And the other really interesting thing is because they know if they take away negative gearing, they understand that there won't be as many people investing in property. So do you know what they're doing instead? They're going to encourage the big end of town to actually build properties to rent, and they're going to double the tax incentive from 15% to 30% for the big end of town to build the rental properties to make up the shortfall that's going to happen when the normal mum and dad investors get out of the market. It absolutely seems crazy to me. We know what will happen is that rental prices will go up, but the actual property prices are likely to go down. And that is the last thing we need when we're already seeing reducing prices around the country. It's not just here in Sydney. So I would encourage all of you to actually investigate and delve a little bit deeper into the policies that we're being told so you actually understand what might happen with those if they do get implemented. Anyway, enough from me. Lots of more information on the link. Click through and I'll see you next week.